What is a rental property depreciation schedule? Get excited! Depreciation is typically one of the largest tax deductions a property investor in Australia can claim each year, and a depreciation schedule helps to ensure you are maximising those tax deductions. We believe we represent the best quality and best value rental depreciation reports in the industry across Australia. What is a depreciation schedule in Australia? A rental property depreciation schedule is a report that clearly calculates and details the tax deductions a property investor can claim for the annual depreciation of their investment property. Building and assets, not land. Across the investment property community, a depreciation schedule can also be known as Capital Allowance and Tax Depreciation Schedule, or Quantity Surveyor's Report, or Rental Property Depreciation Report. Why do I need a depreciation schedule? Rental property depreciation schedules assist investors to claim the maximum tax deductions available for the annual depreciation of their investment property, referred to as capital allowance and depreciation by the ATO. Annual deductions are typically in the thousands of dollars every year, for up to 40 years. Specifically, a property depreciation schedule will ensure that your claims for capital allowance, Division 43, and plant and equipment assets, Division 40, are claimed in accordance with ATO legislation. Save you time and effort in trying to calculate these deductions for yourself. Save you money with your accountant, as they simply apply the results from the schedule. Ensure that your deductions are maximized to create the greatest cash flow result for your investment. What is in a depreciation schedule? Quality investment property depreciation schedules will include all construction costs and assets, including previous renovations, whether completed by yourself or a past owner, as well as claim more aggressively for low-cost and low-value assets. There is a big difference between the standard inclusions of a cheap depreciation schedule and a more expensive one. Where do I get a rental property depreciation schedule? Quantity surveyors are one of the few professions recognized by the ATO to estimate historical and current construction costs, as well value the included assets. To purchase a depreciation schedule, simply contact a quantity surveyor for a quote. What do I do with a rental property depreciation schedule? You deliver your depreciation schedule to your accountant and they will apply the results in your tax return for that year, and for all the years going forward. If you do not use an accountant, you can apply the results yourself when completing your tax return. How much does a rental property depreciation schedule cost? Whilst there can be a substantial difference between the quality and results of a cheap depreciation schedule and a more expensive one, thankfully the difference in cost is minimal, especially when you consider the cost is 100% tax deductible. A capital claims tax depreciation schedule has all of the inclusions that help you to maximize your deductions from your investment property. To find out what depreciation deductions you might be entitled to claim from your investment property, call us on 1300 922 220.